Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to get your Mixpanel project token. Okay, so first up, just go ahead and go to your search bar and type in mixpanel.com. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, just go ahead and log into your account. Okay, once logged in, go ahead and go to the bottom left. Right here, we have the gear icon. Okay, just click on it. Now go ahead and hover your mouse onto settings. Hover. Now go ahead and click on project settings. Okay, make sure that you have selected the correct project right here at the top left. Okay, once that's verified, and just click on project settings. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, under project overview, here in the center, just go ahead and scroll down until you find access keys. Okay, here you have your project token and your API secret. If you want to copy the API secret, just click on copy right here. Copied, and once done, you're good to go. There you have it. That's how you get the Mixpanel project token. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.